What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Jordan Delta 2 in the Regal Pink, Lime Ice, and Redstone colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. It means the world of the channel. Also, feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as hit that join button. We've got so many amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. Load up on some of our shade gear. Be sure to head on over to that site after this video is done. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about some Jordan Delta 2s in a multitude of colors. Thanks again. Shout out to the Jordan team for sending these my way so that I could do this amazing unboxing on a silhouette that I've actually never talked about, but I'm so excited to jump into the overview on these, then talk about size and fit, followed by styling. This is such a crisp color for the summertime, and I feel like it's going to transition nicely into the fall. So definitely stick around for that, and then we're going to conclude with how much these shoes are retailed for and where to find them currently. Let's jump into this overview and talk about this beautiful shoe. So this is a really cool color scheme, actually. We've got the Regal Pink, Redstone, and Lime Ice color scheme going on sporadically all over this shoe. So we have a nice Nike React foam and rippled pods actually on this shoe, which is really different than any of the other silhouettes that I have. The toe box region here is in that nice just Regal Pink. It's a nice soft suede. Then we've got this really cool meshing system on top, and it looks like there's gonna be a lot of breathability throughout this shoe, and it's very light, which when I was wearing this, it was really hot. And I feel like my feet were able to breathe. There's just a lot of ventilation going on throughout the shoe. As we work our way up, you'll notice that this is that redstone color scheme on the tongue. And it's a really cool kind of color that I think really somehow works with this lime ice color scheme that you see on the eyelets, as well as that Regal Pink. I would have never thought to put these three colors together, but they did a great job. I think they all kind of work quite nicely. We also have subtle accents of this light yellow. So you've got the Jordan logo at the top here, and it just pops off of that redstone color scheme. So let's take a look at those details before we move on to the side panels. So moving along the textile on the side profiles of the shoe, we've got Jordan's number 23 here and that pop of lime ice. Working our way to the back, we've got just nice suede texture. So we've got that lime ice on the bottom, and then at the top of the heel, you'll see more of that redstone colorway. Then the pull tab is in a bright pop of yellow, which really just pops off of that red. Moving to the other side panel of the shoe, we've got the Jumpman logo here with Jordan in that lime ice color scheme, which then pops really nicely off of that Regal Pink, and it just fits quite nicely how they embroidered it into that textile. Working our way to the inside, we've got 23 on the inside of the insole in that pop of redstone color scheme with 23 in the lime ice, and it's the same on the other shoe. Working to the bottom of the shoe, the midsole is a nice just pop of pink for the Regal pink, and then we've got a translucent bottom and also kind of a hint of pink to it. Kind of looks like a blush pink. All right, let's look at those final details before we move on to size and fit. All right, so as far as sizing goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. I am a woman size 9, so I got a woman size 9 in these, and I think that they fit me to a T. Again, I do have high arch, narrow feet, so depending on what shape of foot you may have, that could decide for a completely different size than myself. But if you are on the wider, flat-footed side, that could change what size varies and works best for you. All right, so let's jump into styling. Again, just such a nice pop of color, and I really wanted to intertwine these colors into the variety of looks that I had, but I also wanted this to kind of be the standout piece. So for the first look, I decided to wear some simple Jordan sweatpants in this nice kind of cream color scheme, and then I topped that off with a simple white tank top, and that really just set the tone for these shoes. This was literally what everyone was looking at when I was shooting these. Second look, I decided again to kind of be monochromatic with my outfit choice. And for the second look, I decided to go with a Jordan set, this time with a Jordan beige sports bra and some matching beige shorts. I think that browns, beiges, tans really, for some reason, just work well with this. I think it's the red stone that you see in here. Also just kind of the light pastel colors that are kind of mixed in go quite nicely with those monochromatic color schemes also. For the last and final look, I wanted to bring a little pop of color. We still are in the summer here in New York, so I wanted to play off of that lime ice color scheme. This time I wore a lime ice colored dress. It was a bodycon dress, and I also pulled out my leather, or not leather, but my Levi's button-down shirt. I think that light denim goes great with this as well. This time, instead of wearing denim jeans, I decided to wear it as a button-down shirt, and I think that it just pulled off these colors quite nicely and really played with the lime ice accents in this shoe. So you let me know down below, was your favorite look out of the 3, or how would you style these shoes?
Call me top shelf, carry myself too well. I'm walking around the stairway straight to all my better days. Looking through rose-colored glasses at all my mistakes. Breaking through the ceiling, unfazed. Baby, watch me come alive. life, come alive. Strike like the lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug, I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Runway, glitter and shades, winning the game every time I play. Misery's gone, heart is turned on, neon. I'm twisting around the stairway straight to all my better days. Looking through rose-colored glasses at all my mistakes, breaking through the ceiling unfazed. Baby, watch me come alive, come alive. Strike like the lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug, I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Like lightning in my lungs, I can't fight it, it's a drug. I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way I light up every time I strike. Like the lightning in my lungs, can't fight it. My love is like a drug. I got fire dancing in my eyes, so bright. Can't help the way.
All right, now let's conclude with how much these are selling on the retail market right now. So these shoes are currently going for $130, and you can find those on the Nike website. I will be sure to list the links down below. You can also find these in certain sizes on Nordstrom's and a few other sites, but they are still available specifically on kind of smaller sizes, so under a size 10. A lot of the larger sizes, unfortunately, are sold out, but this is definitely an amazing shoe, specifically for comfort. This is definitely something I could walk in all day long, and just definitely lots of great cushioning going on, and it's got this just super techy and modern look to it, which I think just makes it completely unique from other shoes that I've seen in my collection, shoes that I have in my collection. So that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button and our merch store. All right, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.